Nazi iy'thombe bafethu ezithathwe u-Ayanda Shorts. Lana siyabona uMfundo Vilakazi uyi-role model already ley'ngane across i-South Africa, okuvezayo noma okushoyo ukuthi bafethu u-inspire abantu abaningi kakhulu. Lana uPeterson uthatha isithombe ne-fan le-Kaizer Chiefs, u-goalkeeper ku-number 1 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, undisputed number 1. Then up next sobona-ke uSolomonzi, currently right back e-Kaizer Chiefs laphana edlala kahle kakhulu enespeed. Njengoba la balendile laphana eThekwini njengoba bodlala ne-Durban City balende izolo, iy'thombe zayizolo lezi bafethu. Duduzi Shabalala do or die nangiphethe ingane encane. Umnana beka-super excited ukubona uMduduzi, baze bathatha ne-video yakhe laphana eceleni, ngiyibonile laphana online. IKataro strike super exciting for i-Kaizer Chiefs, esine-aggression as expected ukuthi sichange ama-fortunes laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Then omunye abashuthe naye laphana ubani uLebohang Maboy, umfana naye ubuya kuma-injuries or so, ama-surgery, but is expected to add experience yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs naye. Then Thabiso Munyane ubuyile bafethu ku-injury, sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoshape kanjani laphana phambili, nanokuthi ubani abazomprefera ukuthi adlale nje overall, but yeah, he's a good player ozo-add something formidable for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Thabo Cele akakabi nama-game akahle in recent games, njengoba ungena even late, but-ke sobona ukuthi bazomdlalisa kanjani overall laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Thabiso Munyane vele, yeah, big star is back, umuntu odlale kahle kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs azange i-consider under yena, sobona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs coach or i-management izo-decide-ani laphana. Ulilepo, uCastin Sirino ku-left, uLebohang Maboy laphana. EDurban la balende khona izithi Shaka Marine, if angilenzi iphutha, yes, Shaka Marine. Nasho Miguel ubuyile, Kwinika nangu noSilva naye ukhona. Sobona ukuthi starting lineup se-Kaizer Chiefs sizohamba kanjani laphana bafethu. What a game. Nawu umfana omncane-ke bafethu uMokoena lo goalkeeper, i-third choice goalkeeper kwamanje. Sobona naye ukuthi why did he travel, or bafuna ukumngenisa experience nje, babona umfana lesi squad sonke se-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Iy'thombe zonke lezi ezithathwe ulokhunjani u-Ayanda Shorts. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.